If you're going to rent 6 bedrooms in a home, do you need a commercial loan? No. If it's a single, if it's a single family home, the single family homes to 4 units. So if it's 4 units or less, it can fit on a normal residential loan. However, it's important to note that pretty much all financial institutions are extraordinarily conservative. None of these people want to lose money. From the insurance industry, that's also true. So the way that insurance premiums are calculated is, you've got these actuaries that analyze. I promise there's a point to this, not just another long rant. You've got actuaries in the insurance industry, and all they do is take 100% of the historical data available to them, figure out the percentages, the chances, the likelihood of something horrible going wrong, and then that's how they create, their premiums, what they end up charging you. So the only way to get an accurate premium is by analyzing a massive amount of historical data. Rooming houses, I don't know how long that's been going on. I know insurance companies don't like them. I know that that sets off all the conservative red flags. I know it becomes a lot more difficult to calculate the premium. So consequently, I can't imagine if a bank knows that that is how that property is going to be used. I don't think that they're going to want to do a traditional single family home owner occupied loan on something like that. Now, if you're living there and you're renting out the other 5 rooms or whatever, to people that you kind of know, I mean, I don't think the banks would have too much hesitation on that. But if you're talking about like creating a business, not living there, then it probably would end up being on a commercial loan, depending on how much information you disclose to whatever lender you're working with. Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.